Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having an amazing day. So today we're just going to dive into some makeup, so let's get started. Alright, so what did I do? I already primed, foundationed, baked, concealed, and then I did my eyebrows that are looking like cousins rather than sisters, but I really don't care right now. All of that so I can focus mainly on this palette and whatever look. Actually, I'm not even focusing on this palette. I'm gonna do a video of just the Zulu palette, kind of like what I did with the festival palette, and see if I could just use one palette. But today I kind of have like a certain look that I'm going for in my head. I don't know, let's see if it actually comes out the way that I think it will. Hopefully it does. So, but I'm gonna be using the Subculture palette that looks disgusting because it's just been chilling around, and the Zulu palette that looks kind of gross too because obviously I've been playing with it. Let me make sure my hands aren't ashy because I forever stay doing that. Hold on a second. Okay, now that we're back and moisturized, I'm going to use the NYX eyeshadow base. The first time I used it, it came out really nice. It wasn't like super sticky, but it was sticky. But hopefully, like, it doesn't hinder this look that I'm trying to do. So I'm just gonna apply some to both eyes. It's very white, as you can see, and I'm very melanin, so let's see how this carries out. Okay, I didn't use this much the first time I tried it, but hopefully all goes well today. I look like a nut job. So I'm gonna take the orange in the Zulu palette and go where I would normally put my transition color. And yeah, let's see if this is sticky. I'll be mad as hell if it's really sticky because, ooh, that's bright. Okay. Okay. This thing works. It's popping, and the Zulu palette's popping. All right, so remember when I said I had an idea what I wanted? I don't have that idea anymore. Totally went out the window. So we about to freestyle and see what the hell I come up with because your girl totally forgot. Let's just do yellow. We don't wing it today. We're just gonna do yellow. Let's go in that order and go within the crease. I'm getting sun vibes, but I know it's not gonna come out like that, so I'm not even gonna play myself. I'm gonna actually grab some, the Subculture palette actually has two yellows. There's one called Edge and one called New Wave. I never tried Edge though. Let's see how Edge looks. Oh well, I'm not good at swatches, but you get the picture. It's not that bad. Maybe I'll put some Edge in. Okay. Oh, okay, Edge. I'm feeling the edge. So I think I have an idea what I want now. Now that we're winging it. I'm not gonna do nothing crazy. Or am I? So I'm gonna add a little bit of All Star and see what happens. That's one thing that did suck about this palette. Everything is, you gotta put your damn foot in it to blend it out. Okay, we got something going on here. Okay, well, what I'm gonna do is, though, I'm gonna go back in. I'm gonna go back in with some more orange, though, at the top. Not too much, because I don't want it to be like nuts, but just enough to calm that all-star down a bit, you know? Because it's about the citrus colors. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna use Dawn from this palette. And I'm gonna go in where, basically where the white is, where from the base. That's what I'm gonna put. Ooh.
Dice is on the beat.
I don't know who I think I am. I was having a rough day too. Trust me, it was a rough start. She's alive. All right. It's a look. Yes, Dawn. I'm gonna put a little bit of the purple here from the Zulu palette, and I'm hoping it's not too vivid because I don't want it to be like nut job purple. But so I'm just putting the purple from the Zulu palette over the All-Star from the Subculture palette, so it could pop a little bit more, you know. So I'm just gonna use Kat Von D's liner and do a little liner look now. I'm just gonna take a black eyeliner pencil and just go in underneath. Now I'm just gonna apply my lashes and I'll be right back. Okay, so lashes are on. So now the eye's pretty much done. I just gotta finish the rest of my face. I spray my face first, then put the highlighter on because it does make it more poppin'. So with the usual rose water. Works for me. If it doesn't work for you, I'm sorry. But if not, you could always use Fix Plus, or I used to use that. Or you could use, I also have NYX finishing spray. That's really good too for matte. I'm gonna go in with the goldish color in the Festival palette. Okay, so I think for my lip, what I'm gonna do is I'm probably just gonna use a little bit of my Bath & Body Works lip gloss. This is the finishing look. And I didn't have an agenda. Originally I did have an idea of what I wanted to do, but as time went on, I forgot. So if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. I probably will eventually do a video with just the Zulu palette, but I end up doing just a look this time because I don't know, I didn't want to limit myself this time around. So yeah. I think there is a watermark either that way or that way that you can subscribe with, and have a blessed